Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever wondered why it seems impossible to lose weight? No matter how many diets you try, no matter what you eat or don't eat, the scale just won't budge. Endless calorie counting, giving up entire food groups, sweating it out at the gym every day. Yet somehow, nothing seems to work. It's like you're doing everything right, but still getting nowhere. It's not just frustrating, it's exhausting, both mentally and physically. So, is there really a way to break free from all that struggle? A way to lose weight without counting calories, starving yourself, or saying goodbye to your favorite foods? Well, let me share something with you that could completely transform the way you approach weight loss. If I were to take a guess, you've probably tried countless diets before, right? Maybe you've given up carbs, cut down on sugars, or even attempted those extreme juice cleanses. But they didn't work long-term, did they? And here's the frustrating truth. Most of these diets fail because they're overly complicated and unsustainable. You either feel like you're starving or constantly thinking about food, and who wants to live like that, right? Here's the thing. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. There's a much simpler approach that's backed by science, and more importantly, something that's easy to stick to. This is where intermittent fasting comes in. Now, if you haven't heard of it before, intermittent fasting is not about what you eat. But when you eat, it's all about creating a natural rhythm for your body, where you give it a break from constantly digesting food, allowing it to focus on burning fat. The best part? There's no need to cut out your favorite snacks or restrict yourself to a super rigid diet. You can still enjoy the foods you love, just in a more mindful way. And the results? Absolutely astonishing. Now let me share a quick story with you. A couple of months before I got married, I wanted to lose some weight, just so I would look better in my tux, but I couldn't find an efficient way to do it. I was stuck in the cycle of trying every new trendy diet, only to find myself back where I started, feeling frustrated, sluggish, and like I wasn't getting anywhere. Shortly after, I stumbled upon a method that completely shifted my perspective, the intermittent fasting formula. At first, I was skeptical. No strict calorie counting? No forbidden foods? It sounded too good to be true, right? But after just a few weeks of following this protocol, I noticed a difference. My energy levels soared, I started shedding fat, and I no longer felt controlled by cravings. And here's the thing, it's very easy to do it. You just need to research a little bit about how it works for you, or you can take advantage of simple guides like the intermittent fasting formula. This program not only explains how fasting works, but also gives you practical tips on how to implement it easily into your life. It's a game changer because it makes everything so straightforward. No guesswork, no stress, just results. If you're curious about how it all works, I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Now, why is intermittent fasting so effective? The reason is simple. When you give your body a break from constantly digesting food, it starts burning fat for energy. This helps you lose weight naturally, without feeling deprived. Plus, fasting has been shown to boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. But here's the best part, it's flexible. Whether you choose a method like 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or try alternate day fasting, it fits into your schedule. You can still have your coffee, your social meals, and enjoy life, all while your pounds melt away. What really stands out about the intermittent fasting formula is how easy everything is made. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by choices, the guide lays out exactly how to fast effectively. It includes everything from mental strategies to stay on track to ways to boost your fasting results. Faster than you thought possible. You will see the results speak for themselves. You will not only lose weight, but maintain it long-term. No more yo-yo dieting. It's truly sustainable. If you're like me, struggling to lose weight or keep it off, and you're tired of restrictive diets that leave you feeling miserable, give intermittent fasting a shot. What have you got to lose? And if you want to make the process even smoother, I highly recommend checking out the intermittent fasting formula. This straightforward guide helps you get started with intermittent fasting more quickly, eliminating the need for any research before you begin incorporating it into your life. I'll leave the link to it in the description below. Go take a look. I really hope you find value in intermittent fasting and that it works for you as it did for many other people, including me, helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.